so the females can hunt in peace. After the hunt, the males will have his fill first, followed by the females, and lastly the cubs. The lion is the national animal of Singapore. Legend tells of Prince Samila Utama, who named this city Singapore, or Lion City, because he saw a lion when he first landed on the island. There's just one problem with that story. Lions aren't native to Singapore. Maybe the prince saw a strange, unknown animal and assumed it was a lion. What he really saw remains a tantalizing mystery.
Прыгнет, блин. Сейчас там такие люди внизу идут.